Welcome, friend, to my apple store, where we throw the tastiest party of them all. It's an apple party, as you can see. Come grab an apple, or maybe 3. We've got apples stacked sky high, Granny Smith and Fuji pie. Cosmic Crisp is on the plate. Pink Lady's here, don't be late. Jazz is dancing, Gala's too. We've got every apple, I tell you true.
But what does an apple taste like? I confess, I've never had a bite.
Well, my lad, I'm glad you asked. I'm an apple expert, I've got the facts. Apples are crunchy, crispy, sweet, and there are so many we can eat. Red ones, green ones, yellow too, and every apple is good for you.
There are so many, it's hard to choose,
and they're all delicious in my view, but you don't need to pick just one. Try them all, it's twice the fun.
But what's the difference between each?
Well, come right in, 'cause I can teach the difference between this apple and that. Sit on down and we can chat about every apple that's got a twist. Sweet or yummy or tangy or crisp, but the list of apple types is long, so I'll go ahead and list them in this song to help you pick and help you choose. They taste so good, you can't lose. This Granny Smith is zippy zang, sour crispy with a tang. Honey crisp goes crack pop with sweetness that just won't stop. Gala's mellow, soft and kind, good at breakfast and dinner time. Jazz is zippy, bold and bright, tastes like candy, what a delight. Red and gold, delicious have crunch, they're my favorite apples for lunch. Pink Lady is so sweet and light, it makes my snack time feel just right. Cosmic Crisps, out of this world, a treat for every boy and girl. Then there's Fuji, Jonah Gold. They're sweet and juicy, so I'm told. And how could I forget dear Brayburn, a tasty apple at every turn. Then we have Envy and Evercrisp, the crunchiest apples you can't miss. Then there's Pearly Pink, oh my, with a yellow peel, but pink inside.
Wow, that is a lot of apples.
Eat a few, but don't get full. Now you know the apple types. You can pick the kinds that sound just right. Can't decide? That's A-OK. At this party, try a buffet.
But which should I choose? Which one is best?
Pick out one and take a guess. Don't you worry, don't you fret. I haven't met a bad one yet. Take a munch and pass it round. Hear that happy crunching sound. Juicy, crispy, round or tall. Let's line 'em up and eat 'em all.
But do you eat the skin or not? Do you eat them cold or eat them hot?
Any way is A-OK. Sliced or baked or even sautéed.
What about some applesauce?
Oh yes, yes, that is boss. Eat them sliced or eat them whole. Eat them on a plate or in a bowl.
How many apples can I eat? 1 or 5 or 10 for a treat?
Go for 10, just take it slow. Save some room for apple dough.
Apple dough, that sounds the best.
With apple milk's what I'd suggest.
Wow, apple milk, that's something new. Is there anything apples can't do?
You can eat them in most any way, but a few that we have here today. There's apple pies and apple slices, apple donuts with extra spices, apple cider and apple jam, apples fresh and apples canned. Apples any way you like. Just grab your favorite and take a bite. Give me sweet or give me tart. Every apple has my heart. Stack 'em high and take a bite. Day or noon or in the night. Take a munch and clap your hands. We're grooving to the apple dance.
Wow, this is the best apple party ever.